Welcome back to the channel, Foodie fam. Tonight we're stepping through the Ratatouille archway and into pure Parisian magic. This extended France pavilion is absolutely stunning at night. The glow, the waterfall, the cobblestone charm, it's giving full movie moment. Tempted to grab a crêpe, but not tonight. We're headed straight to the Ratatouille ride and I am super excited about it. We saw a 60-minute wait time, but the Disney gods were with us, because we just walked right in. No line. Zero. Nada. Let's go! Look at this energy, Foodie fam, everyone's hyped, smiling, and ready to ride. It's giving full Disney joy, and I'm loving how friendly the vibe is in here. Let's do this. Can we talk about how adorable these ride vehicles are? They're literally shaped like Remy, little rat-shaped cars ready to scurry through the kitchen. I'm obsessed. Next stop, Gusteau's kitchen. Hold on tight. Look at these visuals, OMG! I've never felt so immersed in a ride. It's like I've stepped straight into the animation. And as a foodie, this ride is delighting every one of my senses. The sights, the sounds, the smells, it's a full-on flavor fantasy. This ride was amazing, full of twists, turns, and total immersion. A certified hit. You're not just watching Remy, you are Remy. The special effects? Incredible. Disney did the big one with this. From the smells to the heat to the motion, it's a sensory piece. I genuinely felt like I was inside the animation, like I'd stepped into the movie and become part of Remy's world. It's wild how real it feels. Until next time, au revoir. A must-ride when you visit EPCOT. 10 out of 10. No notes. And that's a wrap on tonight's adventure, foodie fam. From Paris to the pantry, Remy took us on a ride we'll never forget. If you love this magical moment as much as I did, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a bite of the magic. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep it tasty and travel hungry.